Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16R5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS16R5 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may stem from several factors, such as a faulty power adapter, a dead battery, or internal hardware problems. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications and ultimately result in more expensive repairs in the future. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power adapter, depending on the diagnosis. First, ensure you have turned off your device and disconnected it from any power source. Now, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the MSI MS16R5. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you should be able to see the internal components. At this point, check the battery connection. If the battery is loose or damaged, you will need to disconnect it by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. Next, if you have determined that the battery needs replacing, unscrew the screws securing it in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. After removing the battery, take your new one and position it carefully, ensuring that it aligns correctly with the connectors. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place, applying firm but gentle pressure. If you suspect the power adapter is the issue instead, locate the connection port on the motherboard and inspect for any signs of damage or loose connections. Reconnect any loose cables and ensure everything is firmly in place. Once you've completed these checks and replacements, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully snap the back cover back into place, making sure all clips are secured. Now, plug in your power adapter and try to turn on the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, always use the original power adapter and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures. Regularly check connections and clean the device to keep it functioning optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.